It is very bad. Can't imagine what happened to those who are in the boat. So everybody should have knowledge, should have uh, awareness about this type of journey, and after all and above all, those those who those who are driving this type of boat uh, should have knowledge for sailing the boat in this type of weather and in this type of situation, and the boat should not be overcrowded at the same time. Overcrowding, it is the cause of this mischief, cause of this capsize is the overcrowding, and overcrowding. For this reason, every year many boats are drowned. So we should have carefulness. We should be careful in this regard so that we can avoid this type of drowning in future. And but we, the human beings, are not aware of this. Many situations occurs, but we are not.